Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Watch Wizard Service. I hope all of you are doing great. Today I'm going to work on this watch brand name Tissot. It's a Swiss watch. It comes with an ETA caliber 2824, has 25 number of jewels. It is not working properly, so I will service it. For cleaning of this movement, I have used petrol, Elma and Rodico putty. Elma is watch cleaning liquid. There are the four screws. Two of them are on the metal ring and two of them are on the movement edge. We have to remove them to remove the dial from the case. And to remove the crown stamp, we have to press on this point. But make sure not to press the setting lever too hard. There is a high probability in this movement that the setting lever will get stuck with the SLS setting lever spring. Here are the two locks which holds the movement with the dial. This is the hour wheel. I will start disassembling this movement from its rotor. To release this movement mainspring tension through stamp, first we have to remove its automatic wheel section, and to do so there are two screws over here. We have to just remove them to remove this plate. To release the stored energy, we have to hold the click like this, and slowly in a controlled manner we have to release the tension. Then we can remove the balance wheel and the pallet fork. This is the balance wheel with its bridge, and below it there will be pallet fork. To remove the pallet fork, we have to remove these two screws. Once the pallet fork is out, we can remove the train wheel bridge, barrel and barrel bridge. This wheel is called crown wheel. Here is the click and click spring. After removing the click spring, I will remove its ratchet wheel. Now I will remove the barrel bridge. It has 3 screws. They are of same size. Same for train wheel bridge. This part is for hacking. Train wheel bridge has 2 screws. Below it there will be 4 wheels. These are the 4 wheels, and next to it there is the complete barrel. Barrel has a mainspring and arbor in it. Now I will remove the date section. This side will have 3 screws. Below this there is minute wheel, setting wheel. This is minute wheel, center wheel, date calendar, date jumper, date driving wheel, date corrector, and setting wheel. Now I will remove its keyless. First will be setting lever spring SLS. Then yoke. Then setting lever.